Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore 10 incredible health advantages of turmeric and show you how to incorporate this amazing spice into your daily routine. Turmeric, with its vibrant golden hue, has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine. It's not only known for adding flavor and color to dishes, but also for its powerful health benefits that science is now beginning to understand on a deeper level. But did you know that this humble spice could be the ultimate addition to your wellness routine? Let's take a closer look. The key component that gives turmeric its vibrant color and health benefits is a compound called curcumin. Curcumin is a natural antioxidant and anti-inflammatory powerhouse, which can protect your body from cellular damage and support healing. But here's the catch. Curcumin is not easily absorbed by the body on its own. Fortunately, adding certain ingredients can significantly boost its bioavailability, and we'll cover those later in this video. Let's break down some of the most impressive ways turmeric can support your health, along with practical tips for getting the most out of it. Number 1. Turmeric's role in reducing inflammation. First and foremost, turmeric is best known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health conditions, from arthritis to heart disease. Studies have shown that curcumin targets pathways in the body that are responsible for inflammation, helping to reduce it at the source by blocking specific molecules like NFKB, a protein complex involved in inflammatory responses. In fact, some research suggests that turmeric can be as effective as certain anti-inflammatory medications, like NSAIDs, but without potential side effects such as gastrointestinal discomfort or increased cardiovascular risks. By modulating inflammatory responses, curcumin may also promote overall immune balance and resilience against disease. How to use. One of the easiest ways to use turmeric for inflammation is by adding it to your food. Sprinkle a bit into soups, stews, and curries, or make a golden milk latte. This warm spiced beverage combines turmeric, black pepper, and a milk of your choice, a great way to enhance turmeric's absorption and soothe inflammation. Number 2. Boosting antioxidant levels. Turmeric is packed with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can lead to cellular harm. Oxidative stress, a result of free radical buildup, is linked to aging, inflammation, and various chronic conditions, including cardiovascular disease. By incorporating turmeric regularly, you can help give your body a powerful antioxidant boost that fights cellular damage, promotes longevity, and supports overall wellness by maintaining cellular integrity and function over time. How to use. Try adding turmeric to your morning smoothie for a dose of antioxidants. Combine it with fruits rich in vitamin C, like oranges or pineapples, which can also enhance turmeric's effects. A pinch of black pepper boosts curcumin absorption even further, allowing your body to reap the full benefits. Number 3. Supporting joint health and mobility. For those dealing with joint pain or stiffness, turmeric may offer some relief. Research suggests that curcumin can help alleviate symptoms of osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, likely due to its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to reduce joint swelling. Curcumin may also support cartilage health by slowing cartilage breakdown, which helps maintain joint flexibility and mobility. Many individuals find that consistent turmeric intake contributes to improved comfort and range of motion over time. How to use. A daily turmeric supplement can be particularly helpful for joint health, especially if you're dealing with chronic pain. Be sure to choose a supplement that includes black pepper extract or piperine to improve absorption. Or, if you prefer a natural approach, you can add turmeric to meals that you eat regularly, making it easy to consume consistently. Number 4. Enhancing brain function and lowering risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Turmeric has been linked to improved cognitive function and a lower risk of neurological diseases like Alzheimer's. Curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier and has been found to boost levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that plays a critical role in memory, learning, and neural connectivity. Low levels of BDNF are associated with neurodegenerative diseases and mood disorders, so incorporating turmeric could be a proactive way to protect your brain health over time, potentially enhancing cognitive resilience and emotional well-being. How to use. Consider adding turmeric to foods high in omega-3s, such as salmon or chia seeds, which are also beneficial for brain health. You can also try turmeric tea or golden milk before bed, as it's a relaxing way to wind down while giving your brain a nourishing boost. Number 5. Balancing blood sugar. Research shows that turmeric may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a potentially helpful addition for people with or at risk of type 2 diabetes. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects are believed to improve insulin sensitivity and glucose control, potentially lowering fasting blood sugar levels. By reducing oxidative stress in pancreatic cells, curcumin may help preserve insulin production and improve metabolic health, making it easier to maintain stable glucose levels. How to use. You can add turmeric to your meals, especially those with complex carbohydrates like brown rice or quinoa. This can help balance blood sugar spikes that occur after meals. Another idea is to add turmeric to cinnamon tea, as cinnamon is also known to support blood sugar control. Number 6. Aiding in weight management. Some studies suggest that curcumin could aid in weight management by reducing inflammation, improving digestion, and potentially influencing fat metabolism and glucose regulation. By reducing systemic inflammation, curcumin may support healthier insulin sensitivity and energy balance, making it easier to maintain a stable weight. While it's not a magic weight loss solution, it could be a beneficial addition to a balanced lifestyle focused on long-term health. How to use. Try adding turmeric to meals that are rich in fiber and protein, which help keep you full longer. Turmeric spiced lentil soup or a turmeric smoothie with protein powder could be great options. Number 7. Improving heart health. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide, but turmeric may offer some protection. Curcumin is believed to enhance the function of the endothelium, the lining of your blood vessels, improving their elasticity and resilience. This can help regulate blood pressure, reduce arterial stiffness, and prevent blood clot formation, both crucial factors in heart health. Additionally, curcumin's antioxidant effects may reduce LDL cholesterol oxidation, which is often linked to plaque buildup, further protecting cardiovascular function. How to use. Combine turmeric with healthy fats, such as olive oil or avocado, in your meals. Fat increases curcumin absorption, so cooking with turmeric in dishes that have fats can be very beneficial. An easy way to do this is by making turmeric-infused salad dressings or adding it to a stir-fry. Number 8. Turmeric's role in digestion and gut health. In traditional Ayurvedic medicine, turmeric has long been used as a digestive aid. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can support a healthy gut lining, reducing symptoms like bloating, gas, and discomfort. How to use. Make a soothing tea with turmeric, ginger, and honey, which can ease digestive discomfort. You can drink this tea in the morning or after a meal. Adding turmeric to foods like yogurt or kefir that contain probiotics may also promote a healthy gut microbiome. Number 9. Supporting skin health. Turmeric is also popular for its benefits to the skin, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Applying turmeric topically can help reduce acne, calm inflammation, and even out skin tone. Curcumin's antioxidants also protect the skin from environmental damage. How to use. To make a simple turmeric face mask, mix turmeric powder with honey and yogurt to create a paste. Apply it to your skin for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. Just be cautious as turmeric can stain the skin temporarily, so it's best to dilute it well with other ingredients. Number 10. Enhancing immunity. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, turmeric may also bolster the immune system. Curcumin can help the body fight off pathogens by boosting the activity of immune cells such as T cells and B cells, which are essential for defense against infections. Curcumin may also enhance the function of natural killer cells that target viruses and abnormal cells. By reducing chronic inflammation, turmeric supports a balanced immune response, potentially lowering the risk of overactive immune reactions or autoimmune issues. How to use. In the colder months, try making a turmeric and ginger immune shot. Combine turmeric, ginger, black pepper, lemon juice, and a bit of honey or agave. This powerful combo can be taken in the morning to give your immune system a head start for the day. Practical tips for using turmeric. 1. Combine with black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that can boost curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Always add a pinch of black pepper when cooking with turmeric or taking it in supplement form. 2. Use with healthy fats. Since curcumin is fat-soluble, consuming turmeric with healthy fats like coconut oil, olive oil, or avocado can help your body absorb it more effectively. 3. Consider turmeric supplements. If you have specific health goals, such as reducing inflammation or supporting joint health, you might benefit from a turmeric supplement. Look for one that includes black pepper extract for better absorption. 4. Start small and build up. Turmeric is potent, so start with small amounts to see how your body reacts, especially if you're new to it. About a quarter teaspoon a day is a good starting point, and you can gradually increase it over time. As you can see, turmeric's benefits go far beyond its use as a culinary spice. From reducing inflammation and supporting brain health to boosting immunity and promoting radiant skin, it's a powerful addition to any wellness routine. Plus, it's easy to incorporate into your diet with just a few tweaks. Whether you choose a warm turmeric latte, a flavorful curry, or a golden smoothie, there are countless ways to enjoy the health benefits of turmeric. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Let us know in the comments if you've used turmeric before and how it's worked for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.